I think young people today, they start a job and already they're busy thinking about the next and the next and the next. Be a little bit more patient. I think my generation, and I'm not saying this is a benchmark and I'm not that old, when we took jobs in the late 80s or early 90s, you could have the opinion that it was a job for life because times was different. Of course it's not. The best advice I can give to people is to be ambitious, but also be patient. A lot of young people come to me and say, well, I want to go there, I want to go there, I want to go there. Fantastic. Be ambitious. My career has not gone like that. My career has gone like that, then like that, then like that, then like that, maybe then like that, and then like that, and then like that. Where I have learned the most is not my successes, it's my failures, of which any leader has many. And if they say otherwise, they lie. So you should be allowed to fail. And young people should accept that. I think to a certain extent we discussed about social media and so on, and I'm not a consumer of that. But I'm reading articles and I'm seeing that people think that the guy next door is perfect because everything is perfect. Life is imperfect. And so accept that, be curious, be hardworking, and then things will happen. Have open doors. Sometimes allow yourself to try things that are outside your comfort zone. And you will find out whether you can handle it or whether you flew a little bit too close to the sun, so you have to sort of take a step back. But that's my best advice. Whether be at sea or whether be in the onshore organization. If you start as a cadet, aspire to be the chief engineer, aspire to be the captain, work hard to become that. And try to be then a better captain than what you see today because you're curious. Because you have better access to information technology and so forth. So if there's only one word I'm allowed to say, curious. I wouldn't be here if I hadn't had role models. It is very important to have role models. It's very important to be curious. It's very important to be self-aware. Have I understood? Have I created value? Have I done well with my colleagues? And where would I like to go?